Hi, my name is Lakasa Walter Mapugo. Um, I'm from Davidson. I work for BioWorld and I'm working as my occupation is I work as a technical support administrator. I'm also doing clinical engineering as well. Um, I'm more into medical equipment because I've been working with medical equipment since 2018, whereby I was working for Far Eastern Hospital. I was dealing with medical equipment, then I got more interested in medical equipment, whereby I needed to know more about medical equipment. Um, I've registered for this course because I needed more exposure in medical equipment. I needed more knowledge. I needed more experience. Not only in medical equipment, also in test equipment as well. I needed more exposure, how to use the devices. I needed to be certified as medical equipment maintenance as well because I'm more interested in knowing medical equipment because um, if you work with medical equipment, you need to understand the equipment that you work with. You need to understand um, each and every fault that you came across according to that medical equipment that you're working with. Um, Working with this course, I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot, and I've came across different medical equipment that you should learn about. And I learned a lot on this course as well. Um, if I can mention what I've learned on this medical on this course, going through this course each and every day since I've started this course. Um, since the introduction, I've learned a lot. Um, I've learned about ethics. I've learned about I can see um, the whole process, the hazard, um, the the preventative maintenance, how to maintain uh, medical equipment as a whole. I've learned to the corrective need to be done to each and every medical equipment at all time. Medical equipment needs more attention at all times since well it deals with lives of of the human beings at all times. It needs to be accepted. It needs to make sure the, 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 the the technician all the time need to make sure that medical equipment needs maintenance at all times, needs assessment at all times. I've learned uh, about um, communication through can say through communication between end users and the technician. is very crucial. It's very crucial. I can say it's very crucial process that need to happen between the end users and the technician. And also the technician need to explain or need to make sure that the end users understand the equipment that they work with, so that when they report the fault, or they report the issue that they have in the ward, they need to be more clear about what they're experiencing, and how the issue started, and or what happened on that one. And also I learned about I quite learned about different devices. I've learned about the blood pressure machine. I learned about pulse oximetry machine. I learned about the defibrillator. I learned about vital signs. I learned about uh, 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 the anesthetic machine. Also on an anesthetic machine, all the time you have to check you have to check the sorry about that. You need to check the vaporizers. They have to be calibrated at all times, since well the is the device that holds the gas on the machine as well. That they need to all the time to be checked, so that the patient can be safe all the time. um, and I learned about electrosurgery machine, of which is ESU, whereby as well it needs to be calibrated at all times. At all times. um, I learned a lot in this course. I learned a lot, the different machines. I learned about the ECG as well. um, I learned about the ventilators as well, the infusion pumps. On medical equipment, what is important is that you need to understand the device that you're working with, so that you can figure out the fault and easy for you to solve it. You need to make sure that the machine that you're working with, the devices that you're working with, they all service at all time. And you need to do assessment regularly, so that you can understand the devices that you're working with. um, uh, as well, I learned about um, inventory. Inventory. You need to check your stock all the time. And I learned about what I can mention now. It's been a lot, but what I can learn, I can push through. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think is enough. I think is how I learned about it. But I really appreciate the course, because it gave me more experience and understanding on everything that I've been learning on the side. It gave me thoughts. It gave me to, when you work with medical equipment, you need to think out of the box all the time, because figuring out the problem on the machine needs you to understand how you can assist, how you will be able to assist. Yeah. Then you have to, as a technician as well, you have to make sure you understand the end users, and all the time, make sure you pay more attention, because you're dealing with live people. um, you need to make sure all the time that you understand, or you give all your best to end users, so that they can be able to work. um, I think is that's all that I can provide at the moment, but there's still a lot I can see more. uh, yes, I can see more. I can say more. I really appreciate the course. Hopefully, I hope that I get the certificate and I apply for better opportunities out there, to give more knowledge to more companies out there. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.